learning how to roll paper beads with, I'm sorry, tell me your name again.
Millie.
Millie.
Then I
So
start.
from the top?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay. Fold.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Then
it has to be tight, right?
yeah. You need to leave some hole inside.
A hole. Oh, for the string, right? Okay. Like that?
Yeah. No, I know, but and the hand and the finger.
I
But
want
is
a
this
permanent marker on your string.
Yeah.
You put that on your permanent marker?
It comes off. It comes off fine.
Yes.
Okay.
I-
We got it. We got the hole. Okay.
Good marker.
And then you just roll
It's
like
not a big deal.
I know.
Tight.
Kill you
Tight.
to put something
Make
extra.
it tight. Make it
But
tight.
we used to do all the time.
Make it tight.
I'm not dead yet.
Oh my gosh.
Make
You know?
it tight.
I was
So
half
one
green once.
long necklace, how many hours rolling?
Take one hour.
Wow.
Finish mine.
I'm slow. I'm learning. My gosh, David, are you zooming in on this? Oh, tight, tight. Sorry, tight.
So 60,000.
You use both your thumbs to roll, huh? That's hard.
Yeah, it is a hard paper.
Okay, so how much? I think I'm This is for my
Is
mom.
the hard paper?
Where's the glue?
So
Glue, somebody have our glue. Glue is there. Okay.
My first paper bead ever.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
Give me 1 second.
Now you roll.
You want to start the video? I assume. You want to start the video? I assume.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Give me 1 second.
Wow! What? Paper bead, my first Ugandan paper bead ever. Look, and it's gonna look like this.
Let me see yours. Wow.
Wow! Wow! It's a part of the family now. Oh my God, I'm awesome. Woo! All right, signing